basically what you see what I did is that I went through it, you know, and now I have a pile. I took the first pile, which was the stuff that was the most at the top, which is the very recent. I went to the latest relevant thing, which was happened to be getting things done and all that before I switched to another topic. And now I left that's all okay, and I'm gonna go through that after. But this is one folder, which it was like images and it's like miscellaneous, we'll say, and stuff I have to go through this lists and templates and stuff, images, and so this is all the stuff, and I have the middle and the end from the beginning from before. So now what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna go through in like in a backwards order from the most recent, page by page. I'm gonna go through every single last thing and take notes. And then by the time I get to the back of it, then I put this aside and I go hit what I was just doing, the most recent stuff. And that's my method. I just made it up on the spot.